signal is required.
Okay.
Got a yield sign up ahead, around the corner.
So should I stop before the crosswalk, or where am I stopping?
You can, if you need to stop, you'd stop on the other side of the crosswalk. Hug the shoulder, stay close to the shoulder here, and keep on rolling. You got nothing coming, so you just keep on rolling.
So would you still treat it like a speed bump?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
The speed bump thing, that's just to get you accustomed to the idea of having to slow down enough for any oncoming vehicles.
Yeah.
If you slow down too much though, like you did for the speed bumps, that might be a little too much if you have a car right behind you.
Okay.
So
Road test, what should I?
you just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Go at a safe, comfortable speed.
Okay.
To negotiate the corner, giving yourself enough time to check. That's all you need is time and space. That's what driving's all about, time and space.
Yeah.
So you see that vehicle in your rear view mirror, and judging by its speed, it wouldn't be safe to make a left lane change. As he passes you, go ahead and signal left. We'll make a left lane change. Yeah, right on. So, and also I'm noticing your lane changes are good. You want to take about 3 seconds to transition from one lane to the other. And you're doing that, just naturally you're doing that. But a lot of people get a little freaked out with the lane changes, so they kind of jerk the wheel into the other lane, right? So let's count how many seconds it takes you to get into the right lane here. We'll go ahead and make a right lane change. 1001, 1002, 1003. That's perfect.
Okay.
3-4 seconds.
Got it.
So it's a nice long transition. That's really important in the winter
Yeah.
when things are slippery. Okay, so it's 60 here. You're going 55. You can bring her up to 60.
Sure.
We're going to go up to the Kingsway. Might get more traffic. It's no fun with no traffic, so. See that car?
Yeah.
See him in your side mirror?
Yeah.
Orange light lights up. Check over your left shoulder. You saw him right away, right?
Yeah.
In your peripheral vision. I get some people, they look, and they're looking, and I'm like, look in front of you. There's
Yeah.
what are you looking for? The license plate number, the color of the car, who's driving? No, you don't need to know any of that, right? So right turn onto the Kingsway.